Hi guys, today I will explain how to send Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, before doing anything. The first thing you have to do is, you need to add Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet crypto list. Because if you did not add it, then you will not be able to do anything else. So here you can see it's already added. But in order to add, scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. Here in the search bar, you have to write BTC or Bitcoin. Once you will write on the top, you can see Bitcoin. Turn it on. Then it will be added to your list. Now let's go back and scroll up. And here click on the option Bitcoin, like we want to receive. So therefore I will click on the option Receive. Here are a few ways by which you can receive Bitcoin. This one is QR code. If someone will scan the QR code, then he will be able to send the Bitcoin to your wallet. The next thing is copy the code and share it to WhatsApp or any other app. You can also set the amount by yourself by clicking on this option and enter the amount which you want to receive from the next person. Because once you would enter the amount, then that person need to pay that. But if you did not enter any amount, then he can be able to send any amount as he want. Another easy way of sharing this is by clicking on this share. Then all the apps which are available in your mobile will be shown, and you can share it using those apps. And it was the way by which you can receive Bitcoin in Trust Wallet.